Welcome, in front of me is an ALCATEL U5 HD, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. And starting off, you want to power off the device by holding the power key and selecting power off. Now once the device shuts off, you want to then hold power key and volume up. You should see a language section right here. So to select your language, you want to use volume keys, as you can see, and then use power key to confirm whatever is selected. This will take you to recovery mode. Again, using volume keys, you want to scroll down and select Wipe Cache Partition, confirm it with power key, and we're done. Cache wipe complete. Press power key once more to reboot the device, and that will take us back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.